One woman, one chaotic night, and cops left guessing. Is this defiance or a mental breakdown?
You do want to trespass?
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am? Hi. Sorry, I didn't get your information. What's your name?
Do you have a name?
What's your name?
Do you have a name?
Yeah, Officer Silva from Sarasota Police Department.
Can I see your birth certificate and your social security number?
No.
Are you going to ask me for mine?
Ma'am, you're being currently at this time trespassed. You understand that, right? What's your name? Can we talk about this? Do you want to have a conversation with me?
Don't put your hands on me. You have no right to. What if I was a mute? What if I was deaf?
Whoa.
Why are you taking your gloves out? You see how I have to disarm this man right now?
I'm just trying to have a conversation.
That would be abuse to the court.
I'm just trying to have a conversation.
You can get a headshot from the building behind you.
You want to try talking to her?
Yeah, what's the problem?
Excessive talking is a sign of abuse.
Right now, they just want you to leave.
Yeah, you just want me to leave. Just like you shot me the up and I had every fake name tag violating me in my corner. I still taught you to the court. And I'm still giving you the tools back so that you don't kill your selves. Can you stop disrespecting my son to the court? Why is he not going to rip your face off?
Hey, why are we...
Why do I have to not worry that my own son is going to go through a psychological, traumatic, psychotic breakdown? Why would I not think that my own son can gut you to the court and you never be like that or harm me like that in your life? Do you think this is funny because I can regulate this as a human being, that you're not watching a real human experience, and I could kill you? I could drain all of you right now when you have weapons on you. Could still come in here and ravage their cores. What is wrong with you?
Are you okay?
Are you okay? Do you want to die right now? Would you want to die right now? Would you want to stick a gun so deep in my motherfucking mouth with my hands locked out on this ground? Are you built like that? You're abusing the out of me, and I'm not out of control. And I wouldn't need a hospital, and I can rearrange your fucking homes. You can't even have them anymore. I told you they're gonna give them back. I own them all.
Yeah.
You can leave to go to the hospital. Your choice.
I don't need to go to the hospital. I don't need to go to the hospital.
No.
I need to fucking get real fucking human rest. And if somebody doesn't understand what the fuck is going on right now, how many more times can I do this lens right in front of your fucking face? You're exterminating my family.
Who are you talking to?
I'm gonna talk to you. You want me to stop talking? Do you want me to stop talking?
No, I'm asking
because everybody who fucking knows me from the fabric of existence knows if I stop talking, somebody's gonna get fucking hurt. If you put your hands on me, I'm gonna break your fucking jaw. Are you prepared to shoot me in my...
You know her?
I come here every morning.
You better come and lock it.
You know her name?
I don't know her name. I buy them coffee every morning. She has psychological problems, obviously, like serious. She doesn't talk. She never speaks.
Okay.
But she's like totally harmless.
You don't know her name, first name?
No, I don't. She never speaks. She never says a word. I've never spoken to her. I come here every morning. I buy them coffee, all the homeless here. But she's always been like a mute. She doesn't speak. She doesn't say anything.
So she's letting it all out today?
Yeah, I guess she's non-threatening, like totally non-threatening. I've never seen her act like this. She usually just sits there and kind of mumbles to herself.
Is she doing
It's
anything?
very odd. I'm sure she is, yeah.
We're gonna take all this with us.
Everything's
You're
okay.
endangering everybody on this block, you stupid fuck.
Everything's okay. Here, come on.
It's not okay.
It's okay.
You're bad to your fucking court.
I think this is going to have to be a Baker act.
Yeah, absolutely.
Get out of my bag before I break your face. Stop touching my son.
If you can have a conversation with her,
Just relax, dude.
at least have him try to calm her down. But I was this close to tasing her.
This is a little wacky.
I'm not gonna chase her around.
That's the most I've ever said to her since I've been here helping her. So it's out of my hands. I don't know.
Any idea?
No. I thought she would have like calmed down, like talking maybe to a female, like.
Nope. I don't think that was gonna be the solution.
Yeah.
I couldn't even get a word in, and I'm not gonna scream to communicate. So.
I felt so bad, and I wanted to ask you permission if I can give her some money.
I can't tell you what to do, but I highly don't think it's a good idea. No. Just gonna feed the problem, I think.
I think by doing that, you're rewarding her for her attitude. You know what I mean?
Or she's gonna go buy alcohol.
She does not know.
She doesn't.
All right.
Thank you.
I'm not going to be of any use, I don't think, but she's not responded to me not one time.
I appreciate it though.
I think she's just a little crazy. But she's here every single day, every morning. That's why I'm here, because I come here every morning, and I see them all here. So I buy the coffee, they always ask. Not her, but the guys. But she's never asked for anything, and I think she's pretty harmless. but she's crazy, so
Yeah.
I mean, anything can happen.
Yeah. Appreciate you trying.
Yeah.
Good effort. Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
The suspect is now seated on the curb outside a nearby property. Officers approach her again, hoping to return her bag and offer some help, but only if she's willing to accept it.
You just can't come back on this property. You want your bag back? I'm a little worried about you. I've never seen you before. I don't know you, so I'm a little concerned. Are you okay? Well, we can't help you if you don't tell us what's going on. But I do like this version of you better.
Bill, you're any mileage?
Nothing?
30, 97.
A smile is good. Can we help you with anything? Do you understand you can't go back on this property? You do? Oh, you don't? I'm pretty sure if you stay here, they're going to call next. So what are we going to do? Negotiate her?
I can tell you're upset and frustrated. Do you think we can help you out? Maybe take you to the hospital, get you some food there?
Do you want me to take you to the hospital? You would never make it to a hospital. Do you want me to send you to your mother's f***ing doorstep in a box, stupid?
I'm just trying to help you.
Coroner to send you to your mother's house in a f***ing box. Because I can open this up now and show you how to f***ing use that gun, stupid.
Well, we didn't get far, did we?
There's no guns in there. Dead bodies in there.
I knew that smile wasn't genuine. It wasn't anything other than...
It was evil.
It was an evil smile, yeah.
I don't think she likes me.
She doesn't like you. Every time you speak, she gets violent.
She hates you and then she directs it towards me, and I'm like, I'm confused.
I thought I was saying the right things, but...
She's going to force our hand.
Yep. We can't be doing this all day. You want your stuff?
Give me my stuff.
You want your stuff?
Are you gonna shoot me with a taser? 'Cause I already
You're flexing on me right now. I've been trying to have a conversation with you.
She could have shot me right in the throat.
My suggestion is do not force it into where you get in the street. At that point, that's not worth it. Do not. If you're getting close to the street, don't even bother.
Yeah.
I don't care about her attitude and how she is, but I care about us.
What do you think, mace or taser? You guys are big on mace stuff,
I think
right?
once we get our hands on her, she's not going to be too bad to handle.
No.
Yeah, one of us is going to have to get her from behind. Distraction.
Otherwise, she'll definitely try to throw hands, I think.
You have to medicate her.
I'll break his f***ing jaw. If I ever call my son talking about food and water,
She's like squirrely. You can't like keep her.
I know, she's just, usually people are much more stationary.
I'm going to try and flank her.
where is my stuff?
Not kick. Not kick. Not kick. Stop. Stop kicking. Get down to the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back. Stop kicking. Stop resisting. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop. You're gonna kick me in the face. Enough.
They're still abusing and hurting me. Do you see this? They're still hurting me. And I'm not resisting arrest.
Stop
They're
resisting.
abusing. They're punching
Stop
me. They're kicking
resisting.
me, trying to break my bones.
Put your hands behind your back. Right now.
Stevie, they're gonna kill your son. They're gonna kill your son. They're killing him right now. I'm telling you this. They're killing your son.
You got this one?
I got it. You're gonna break my arm. You're not
Stop resisting.
You're gonna make me George Floyd. I can't breathe. I have bone cancer and I probably have it in my lungs. Stop. And I'm dehydrated. And my bones are breaking and I have bone cancer.
Sit up.
And my family has been abused to the court and we were all killed.
Psychopath. Stop.
Roll it to me.
1-6-3-8-1, right, Kino, 10-15.
Stop. Stop resisting.
Break my arms off. Go ahead. Stop my facing. Stop my facing. Go ahead. They did this to me already. I'm multi-lingual, but you do not.
Yep, I got it. Stop resisting.
You're gonna kill me. It's over. We're down together. You're breaking my bones. You're hurting my vessels, the core, and I'm already dying. My f***ing arm.
Keep it up.
You're ripping my f***ing tendons.
All right, are you gonna stop resisting?
You're breaking my tendons in my shoulder.
Are you gonna stop resisting?
They're already broken. You already broke them. Who's tearing?
All right.
Told you that.
Stop resisting then.
We get her in. I'll pull her so we need to hold her legs.
All right, let's go. Got me in the face, I'm pretty sure. Stop.
She's out of her mind.
Yeah.
Any spray, any taser, just hands? She have any injuries?
No, but she kicked Laura in the face.
You okay?
Thought I tasted blood, but
Probably
I
did.
mean, you're kind of like,
that's where she got. I felt it like here.
hi, are you okay? I have to ask, I'm the sergeant on duty. Are you okay?
If I don't get my fucking cuffs off of you, family's gonna rearrange your family. Get these fucking cuffs off of me and get my fucking property right now.
Okay, first of all, you're not going to threaten me?
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you, this isn't a threat. I've been abused to my core by your fake departments
well,
right now.
you're gonna be
Are you
charged
cops?
with-
Well, because my whole family is the real government, so I'm confused on what the fuck you're doing.
Okay, you have a great day.
We're gonna make her out there, but
No, it's better, Annaleo. They can work that out. No, she just threatened me. She just said, you better get these cuffs off me or your family's gonna be gone. So,
Just adjust multiple times too.
are you okay?
I can feel it like
Yeah, she is.
lumped on the inside.
So I would probably go to the clinic. And I'm just saying that because you're like swelling.
Yeah.
You look like you have a big chew in your mouth.
And I did not chew.
I know. So,
I just spit and I didn't see any blood. Well, why don't
So-
I help transport? Once she's in and confined, then I go to the clinic.
Hi, ma'am. Can I just get your information?
Yeah.
Thank you.
As long as you don't give it to her, because she seemed a little crazy. She crazy?
No, it's not gonna. Yeah, you didn't see the little
I did. I
wrestling
was
match
like,
back there? Yeah. She had lots to say to me, so.
Yeah, I know. I heard her. I was like, dang.
But okay, Melanie, thank you so much. Sorry, could I?
This woman now faces charges of battery on a law enforcement officer and resisting with violence. She remains innocent unless proven guilty in court. What makes this encounter more complex is her erratic behavior, possibly signs of paranoia, delusions, or even a manic episode. A suspect like this keeps talking nonstop, trying to control the tempo of the situation, while officers fight to regain authority. It becomes a silent battle of control. And here's the difficult part: if police treat it as manipulation but it's truly a mental health crisis, it sparks outrage and raises moral questions. The harsh truth is, the street doesn't allow the luxury of slow diagnosis. Officers must make split-second decisions with no easy answers.